So welcome back guys. In this today's tutorial, we go about looking at how you can seek refund for your cancel Amazon order. So you need to go to your order history and you will see like all the items that you have purchased here. They all appear. And typically you need to do this within a 10-day window period because most of the items, they will have this 10-day replacement or refund policy. And actually I had ordered a lighting setup, and in that setup there were a few items which are missing. So this is the setup that I'm talking about. So I need to click on return or replace items, and when I do this, actually this item had a return policy, not a replacement policy. So that's why I need to return this, and also if I am seeking a refund, I obviously need to return. So I can always write missing parts here because it actually had missing parts. The AC DC adapter was missing, and actually one light stand was also defective, so that's why this is being returned. And I can click on continue, and then it tells me that where do you want the refund to be credited. Is it to the same Amazon account which you used for making the payment, or is it to your Amazon account wallet? So I want it to be credited to my account which I used for making the payment, and I can click on continue, and it tells you how much time it will take for refunding. That is like after the seller gets the item, after that 3 to 5 days, and it needs to be in the packaging with all the MRP tags attached, this that, all manual warranty cards, everything. So once that is done, then the seller will proceed to refund me my amount. Okay, so far so good, but I also needed to make one thing clear. Like, this is okay, the steps to kind of maybe know like how to get refund of your cancelled order. But just know that whenever you are placing an order, anytime you will come to know whether the item has a replacement or a refund policy by clicking on this here, and you will say that this is having a free replacement. So in this particular case, it has a replacement policy, not a refund policy. So not all items qualify for refund, some of them qualify for replacement. And this 10 days of delivery means like the day you have the item delivered at your doorstep, after that, counting that as 0 day, like you have 10 days to kind of lodge this replacement or refund request. So today's tutorial was just to make you understand on how you could seek refund from cancelled Amazon orders, and also a little about knowing the return replacement policies. So if this helps, please subscribe to our channel and please click on the bell icon so that you keep getting notifications of work. Use the comment section to post your comments as well. Thank you so much. God bless. Goodbye.